Welcome to the Nicholas 11 X12 technology. Today I'd like to show you something totally different. As you may know, not too long ago I released a review of the Corsair H100 water cooler, and in the video I mentioned the first unit was defect. The second unit was working perfectly fine. Now there you go, this is the first defect unit. The problems I encountered with the first unit were, first the pump rattling noise, then one of the fans was making a grinding noise, and the third problem, the fan controller on the pump wasn't reacting at all when pressing the button. So yeah, enough of me talking now, I'll show you what I'm talking about. That's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.